Hello, this is Eric from CMX Audio. So we are at the 2025 ISE. Here we would like to introduce our voice evacuation systems. So it have been complying the European EN54 certifications. It have the controller, have the router, have the call station, have the fireman mic, and have various evacuation loudspeakers. So it is designed for education, transportation, and school applications. So for security and the sound and the evacuation and the music all in one solutions. So it's have been expandable from 6 zone to 120 zones. So it is really all-in-one solution for all of the security sound systems. So we are a China manufacturer of the security sound systems. So for more information, you can visit us at cmxaudio.com.